Hello, it's Tanya. Welcome back to Crafty Cards and Journals. Today I am in my creative art journal and I'm going to be doing a spread. And for my creative art journal, I just use an Archer and Olive Traveler's Notebook and I love it. And I'm just going to be using a bunch of stickers and different decor that I picked up from, I'm pretty sure almost all this came from Journalsay, okay? And it's going to be kind of like a girly theme, so I can't wait to get this started and see what all I pull into this spread. All right, and my back is feeling much better. I want to thank everyone for the prayers and the well wishes. It really bothered me a considerable amount, okay? It's still a little sore, but I'm doing much, much better. All right, and I'm going to hold this side down with this. All right, what I want to do is I'm going to be using this right here. I picked, it's called Back Silhouette, and I love the fall colors, and I chose these two girls. I thought they would be so pretty. So, do I want to put them down first? No, I don't think so. I'm going to take this washi. This came from Journalsay. And, or Planny Things. I'm not 100% sure, but I think it was Journalsay. And I'm going to put this right along the bottom, like that. Except I have to raise this side up. I just love that fall feel that that gives. I think it's really pretty. I'm going to cut this edge off. Now, I'm not 100% sure what else I'm going to do when it comes to this washi. I don't know if I want to put it all around. I kind of don't think I do like I did here. I don't think I'm going to do that. I don't know. We'll look. I may do something totally different, but I definitely want it at the top and at the bottom. So I'm going to do that. And that little helping hand, as I have said so many times, really helps you keep up with all this stuff. All right, and then I'm going to take this loose. Like I said, I might put it all around. I'm not really sure. We'll see as this progresses. Okay, but I definitely wanted it down through there. Let me see. I'm going to use this. So I don't know, do I want to put it here and then put the girls? Or do I want to put this in the center and put the girls and then continue with this around? I think I like this down the side. I really do. Maggie is having a small fit. Her daddy just went outside, so I'm going to cut this a little longer. He's going to be mowing the grass, so if you hear something, that will be what it is. Now, do I want to let it overlap, or do I want to keep it right inside that or overlap over it? I think I like it inside of it, so let's see. I'm going to... Oh, wait, I think I have this one upside down. Oh, I did. Whoa, that is always scary. I'm always afraid I'll do that, you know, put it upside down and then, ugh. Okay. I want my leaves to go like this. That just looks better to me. Now, I just don't like it I don't think on this brown washi. So I'm just going to... I'm hoping I can just peel this and it'll come off. I don't know. Yes, it will. Okay. So what I'm going to do I definitely want it to come to the side. I want it to go all the way up there. And I don't mind cutting some of that away. Now, you could either use your gyro cut, but I think I'm going to take this little tool that I picked up from Journalsay. It's really easy to go straight, even though I kind of veered. Oh gosh. Okay, let's see. Well, I'm going to move it up just a little bit because like that. I think that is pretty. Then I'm going to come over here. Okay, I think that's really pretty. Then I'm going to do the same thing over here. I just think this looks so festive, but it's going to have to go this way, get my... And I'm going to do a better job trying to cut this where I need it. I just think it's going to frame these girls so much better. And I wanted a fall feeling because we are actually having a fake fall. It's like in the 80s and I'm loving it. It's so nice. So let me get this going. And I don't mind cutting a little bit off like we did on the other side. You could also take your gyro cut and cut around all that. It would be really pretty if you wanted to do that. But I'm just doing it. And it seems to be working better at cutting it from this angle. And I could cut some of that off. I'm going to try to cut this off and go a little straighter. But I veer, that's my problem. I always veer. But this little tool is really good. I love it. So we have that. I think this is turning out so adorable. Then I want to take this girl right here. I want to put her right there. I just thought this really looked very, very fall. And that's what I wanted. Do I want to bring that down? I want to put it up a little. I think I'm going to take her just up a little bit. And like I've said, if you curl these, they come off so much better. And these tweezers work really great. Let me put this on here to help hold it down. Okay, I'm loving how this is looking. All right, I've deviated a little bit from my plan, but that is okay. Then I thought maybe I would want to take these watercolor ink chapters. I definitely need to get some more of these. And I need to get different colors. I love this, but let's just look at it. I wish I had got more than one. Let's see. I could put it. Put it like there. I could put that one like there. Kind of like it over. Or would I prefer it like that? Let's just see our options. Oh, that says the same thing. Well, I don't think I want it to say the same thing. I like that pretty well. Could do that. Then again, I have this. And I may just do this. This as just like splatter. I think I'm going to use the splatter. I think that might look really cute, okay? So let's see about bringing in, and these are pre-cut. I like anything pre-cut. It makes my life so much easier. Just have to be really careful you don't tear them. Let's see. I like this one here. And might just like this. Is this all one big piece? I think it is. Let's see. I think it is. Just need to get it started. Oh, it is. One big delicious piece. Oh, I'm loving this. It's picking up all those, like the yellows and that pretty orange and the reddish orange. I like that really well. Make sure I get it all down. Now, I don't want to put another one on here. Where would I put this little one? Maybe I could just put it right in between. Let's see, could we do this? Let's look. Would I like that? Or would I like... I like that. I think I might. Okay, now let's look. Let's get some words on here. And then I think what I'll end up doing is maybe putting some of these dots on here. I love these. I really, really do love those. I have them in this color and a blue. And it's the first time I've used them, but I love them. Okay, let's see about these little words here. I just think if you add words, it adds so much interest to your design and your art journal or your creative art journal. Acting on even a twig of faith allows God to grow it. I like that. Do I want to put that there? Or maybe there. If I put that there, what would I put? Travel not to escape life, but so life doesn't escape you. I like that there. I don't want someone like you. I want you. Which one do I like the best? Let's see. I think this takes up more real estate, and I like that. So let's put these down. I think I'm going to put this right there. This is turning out so cute. I love this washi, the pet tape washi. Oh my gosh, it's gorgeous. Like I said, you could cut that out. Would that not be gorgeous? I'll put that right there. Now let's get in these dots, which I'm obsessed with. I usually like to put 3, but I don't know. Is there something on here I would like? I feel like it's kind of crowded, so and I don't want that straight across. I don't think I will. I think I'll just not do that, but I am loving this. Okay, let's get in these little dots. They're always good for filler. And they give you so many different colors. It's not even funny. And Maggie is barking at her daddy because, like I said, he is out mowing the grass. Maybe we'll put this one there to bring in some of that darker. Put one there. It's just really wherever you want to put them. I like that one there. That's 3. I like odd numbers. Do I want to put anything else? Could put one there. Maybe I could put in this one to kind of bring in more of that golden yellow tone. And then maybe, let's look at this one. This one has a little bit more color to it. Let's put that there. I feel like that's rather empty. And we'll bring in another brown, I think. Put it right there. That's where it looks like it wanted to go. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I like odd numbers. I wonder if I want to put maybe another yellow one up there. If I change my mind, I can always take it off. But I don't want it straight across. Maybe there. I really would like to get something up there, but every time I'm like, let's look at this one. Could put it right there, and it's not straight across. All right, here is how my creative art journal turned out. I love it. I love this splatter. I love those dots. Obsessed with this pet tape. It is gorgeous. And like I said before, you could cut around that with your gyro cut. It would be beautiful. But I just love all the movement in here, the girls, and then these little words. And I really like that washi at the top and bottom. I feel like it kind of pulls it in and grounds it. If you enjoyed this creative art journal with me and got some creative art journaling ideas, then like the video, share the video, and subscribe to my channel. Until next time, stay crafty.